As the automotive world begins to abandon sedans and shift entirely to SUVs and electric cars, a legendary name has resurfaced with a big surprise. This is the 2027 Chevrolet Malibu, a concept created to prove that the elegance of a sedan is never truly lost. With a bolder design, get ready to meet a sedan ready to redefine the standards of comfort and innovation in 2027. Watch this video in full and don't forget to like and subscribe. The 2027 Chevrolet Malibu features a much more aggressive and futuristic design, presenting a new identity that blends sportiness with a premium feel. The front fascia is distinguished by its sharply sculpted, ultra-thin LED headlights. A large black-clad grille with a modern mesh pattern emphasizes its bold character while enhancing aerodynamics. Thick fenders, an aggressive front bumper, and subtle chrome accents give the 2027 Malibu the appearance of a high-end sports sedan designed for a new era in the automotive industry. In terms of performance, the 2027 Malibu concept offers two powertrain options: a responsive turbocharged hybrid engine and a fully electric option with instant torque. Its aerodynamic design is not only aesthetic, it also supports high-speed stability and improved energy efficiency. A sport-tuned suspension provides balanced weight distribution. Its features reflect Chevrolet's vision for the future. The 2027 Malibu is enriched with advanced technologies such as an adaptive LED lighting system, a 360-degree camera, next-generation safety sensors, and the possibility of Super Cruise integration for semi-autonomous driving. The interior of the 2027 Chevrolet Malibu presents a modern and elegant cabin atmosphere. The dashboard design is layered and flowing, creating a dynamic and ergonomic shape. In the center stands a large floating-style infotainment screen. The instrument panel in front of the driver looks completely digital with a clean display. The spacious cabin area, wide visibility through the windshield, and soft cabin lighting make the interior of the 2027 Malibu feel like a premium and relaxing personal space. The rear of the car in this image showcases the modern and futuristic design typical of the Chevrolet Malibu premium sedan. The sleek taillights feature a unified LED style that stretches to the edges of both sides. The Chevrolet logo is positioned in the center, just above the curve of the trunk door, creating a bold and aerodynamic look. From its appearance alone, this car promises a stylish, tech-friendly driving experience, capable of competing with other premium mid-range sedans in the global market. What do you think? Leave a comment below and see you in the next video.